Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a first-time mom to a sweet little girl named Evie. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning up my bathroom as well as my living room. So as you can see, quite a mess has accumulated and I am just starting to tuck things away back in their homes where they belong. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, or if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are looking forward to seeing more cleaning videos from me. So what you can expect from my channel is a lot of just maintaining a clean home, talking about motherhood, being a first-time mom and a stay-at-home mom, as well as really just being a homemaker and taking care of our homes. And yeah, that's basically the kind of community that we have here on my channel. So this part coming up, I actually just had to laugh at. My mirror, yeah, there we go, just came falling down. But with a little bit of muscle strength, I was able to get it back up after a few tries. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, but I did include a clip of me just like leaving it there and wiping the counters as is because I thought I was gonna need my husband's help, but I was able to get it back. Oh, that's my daughter in the background if you hear her fussing a little bit because she's hanging out with me as I record this voiceover. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am going in with Windex. I actually bought these bottles. I have my Windex and my Thieves Cleaner in two separate bottles. I got them from Amazon. They're just glass bottles and you can write down, they have a sticker with a little white marker that you can write down what is inside, and I absolutely love them. But I find that using Windex sometimes in the bathroom, especially on the mirror, does such a good job, and then sometimes on the bathroom sink, but I will also go in with my 9 Elements multi-purpose cleaner to wipe down our bathroom sink and the countertops, but I wouldn't recommend it for the mirror or glass. So right now I am just cleaning out this 3-tiered cart. The reason being is I am a little over a month postpartum now, and I just feel like it's taking up space in our bathroom. So I wanted to tuck some things away. That way they were just easy for me to reach inside these drawers. And like I said, I just haven't really been needing to use this cart as much as when I first came home from the hospital those first few weeks. Also, leave a comment down below if you are a Disney fan. I'm just taking a look at my shirt, and I actually bought this time last year when we went to World of Disney. So yeah, I'm definitely a big Disney person. You guys can hear my daughter. We're gonna take her to Disney World next year, and I am just so excited. It is such a big part of my childhood, so I am definitely a Disney mom for sure. So if you guys are new here and you're wondering why are there so many blankets on that couch, the reason being is since I came home with my daughter from the hospital, we just wanted, oh, that was a good burp. We just wanted to, keep our couch clean because we bought this about February, I want to say last year, and it came in like March or April. So we bought this couch from Raymore and Flanagan. And it's just a lot easier for me to have blankets. So if we get spit up on them or any like unknowns while changing my daughter's diaper, we don't really have to worry about it as much. So in today's video, I am just kind of like fluffing out the blankets, and then I just wash them as needed. We won't do this forever, of course, but for the time being, it just makes sense. One thing that I want to share is, please note that my house is not always this clean and organized. In fact, I just filmed this video yesterday, and as I'm doing this voice recording, I'm in my living room, and when I tell you that it looks nothing like it does in this video right now, trust me when I say that. Homes are meant to be lived in, messes are meant to be made, but it does feel so good when you are able to take care of the things that you own and take care of your home and clean it when you can. But if you can't get to something one day and, you know, say your little one is fussing, or maybe they're not even fussing and you just want that quality time with them, spend that quality time, because life is so short that the mess will always be there. So just remember that, and remember that you are doing a great job. Something that I like to do, and this has been more so since we've been using the living room a lot since having our little one, Evie, when I go in to kind of like fluff up the blankets, I like to also flip the couch cushions. I don't do this every day, of course, but every few days or once a week, I like to just kind of like flip them and make sure that they're not just like, you know, getting like molded in one way, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going in with this 9 Elements multi-purpose cleaner from Target. It's $5 and the ingredients are really great, and it does not smell very strong like chemicals. Okay, so something that I mentioned in a recent video of mine is keeping bins around your house when you have a newborn. Speaking of, I think someone's waking up soon. So I just want to go through this quickly, but what has really helped me, and I'm going to organize these bins. So what I have in here is basically these little hand mitts. I have bibs, socks, and hats. I do have butt paste. I haven't had to use that just yet. So I'm going to go through this. This one's actually pretty organized. And then through here, I just want to go through her clothes and organize it a little bit better, so that way I know what's in here and what I'm reaching for. Okay, so I made this a lot more functional. So what I did, these are all burp cloths. I have 2 Nanit pieces just ready to go because I feel like we're trying to get Evie down for naps, so we'll be between like the bassinet, her crib, and then the pack and play, and it's really helpful to have the Nanit pieces ready to go to monitor her breathing. But over here under these little pants, I have short little onesies, like short sleeve, and then I have long sleeve onesies over here, and then these are like sleepers, long sleeve, like warm jammies. So this is everything that fits her right now. And then in here, what I decided to do, I have 2 hats right over here. I have a bunch of socks and then these cute little booties that my sister got her just to keep her feet warm. Please disregard my bad self-tanned hands. And then I have bibs, and then these are wonderful. We actually got these off of Amazon. Someone got them for us on our registry, and they have been awesome. It's just so that she doesn't scratch her face. So this is looking a lot better, more manageable, and I can actually see what outfits that we have. And then over here, this is some stuff. So these mitts are just a little too big for her right now, as is this outfit. So I'm gonna just tuck that away, probably with like her 3-month stuff. And then we really are not using butt paste right now. My hands, self-tan hands are so bad. Sorry, guys. I already have one of these in that diaper caddy right over there, so we don't need that. This is too small for her, and I just want to tuck these pieces away because we're not using them just yet. I just wanted to thank you again for being here with me today, whether you were watching along or you decided to hit play and also clean your home with me as well. It means a lot to me to have you here watching my videos and taking time out of your day. Please, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next week.